Iran has downplayed the chances of world oil producers clinching an output-restraint deal in an international energy forum. But several other members of the group said they still hope for steps to tackle a price-eroding glut of crude. Russia is also attending, but there is no evidence the country is preparing to participate in any production action. Algeria's energy minister said the market was badly oversupplied and the situation had worsened since the last OPEC meeting in June.
The meeting comes at a time when the world is overrun with what was once considered liquid gold. Around 800,000 barrels a day of additional crude is entering the market in September. Now that's compared with last month. Russia is still producing oil at high levels, and the country's energy minister says a deal to freeze output is not critical. And in the meantime, Libya and Nigeria are working to restore their disrupted supplies. Now that's led the International Energy Agency to warn that the market will be oversupplied at least through the first half of 2017. The real global economy has been less sensitive to the price of oil than expected. There was hope when the price first took a dive that there might be some economic stimulus provided by the sustained low oil price, but we haven't really seen that. Global markets, however, are a different story. It has been a bumpy ride. Oil has now risen to its highest since April 18th, when a meeting in Doha among OPEC members to discuss an output freeze actually ended in a stalemate, and the price hit a low just above $40 a barrel. Markets are hoping there'll be some movement now towards a deal, but they are also preparing for disappointment. There is little faith in these 14 oil-rich nations making any sort of final decision on output this time around. Iran's own oil minister has even stipulated there won't be any action taken. Now that is despite Algeria's energy minister claiming OPEC members are losing between $300 and $500 million every single day. According to him, the situation is far more critical than when the group met 3 months ago.